In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link PayPal to Redbubble. If you are selling artwork on Redbubble, connecting your PayPal account is an important step because it allows you to receive payments from your sales quickly and securely. Without setting up a payout method, you may not be able to collect your earnings. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of linking your PayPal account to your Redbubble profile in a simple and easy-to-follow way. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the Redbubble website. Once the homepage loads, sign in to your Redbubble artist account using your login credentials. After successfully logging in, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open a menu with several account options. From the menu, select Account Settings. Inside the Settings area, look for the section related to Payment Details, Payout Settings, or Payment Methods. This is where Redbubble allows artists to manage how they receive payments from product sales. Once you enter the Payment section, you will see different payout options that may include PayPal or bank transfer methods depending on your location. Choose the PayPal option to continue with the setup process. Next, you'll be asked to enter the email address connected to your PayPal account. Carefully type the correct PayPal email information because this is where Redbubble will send your earnings. Before continuing, double-check the spelling to avoid payment issues later on. After entering your PayPal details, save or confirm the changes. In some cases, Redbubble may ask you to verify additional information or complete tax details before payouts can be processed successfully. Make sure all required sections are completed accurately so your account remains eligible to receive payments. Once your PayPal account has been connected, Redbubble will use it as your payout method for future earnings. Payments are usually sent according to Redbubble's payout schedule once you meet the minimum payment threshold required by the platform. It is also a good idea to log into your PayPal account separately and confirm that your account is active and fully verified. This helps avoid delays or payment restrictions when Redbubble sends your earnings. And that's how you can successfully link your PayPal account to Redbubble and prepare your shop to receive payments from your artwork sales. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.